Hello people of the internet, my name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder, and we design awesome stuff to help companies grow, and we work especially with companies in the spirits industry. We design all kinds of awesome stuff like logos and branding and the strategy that goes behind that, as well as merch and print materials to support those brand decisions. If you need help in that world, give me a shout. I'd love to be in touch with you. You can find me at squarethunder.com. You're watching Fast Logo Friday. This is episode number 41. Every week I design a logo based on a random weird word, and we talk a little bit about that word, where it comes from, what it means. The word today is peerless, P-E-E-R-L-E-S. You might have heard that word before, but you may not know where it comes from or what it means exactly. It means unequaled or unparalleled, unrivaled, with nobody better than. It comes from merging the word peer, which means someone who is of equal rank or of the same social group or age group or some category that links them together, and the suffix less, which means lacking or devoid of or free from. Peer comes from a Latin word, par, which you're probably familiar with if you are a golfer. Par means equality or equal in value or circumstance. From there we also get the word disparage, which means to reduce in rank or to devalue or disgrace or dishonor. Today I'm going to use the word peerless to design a logo for a brand of clothing line. Yes, I totally recognize that this is 100% heavily influenced by another clothing brand, kind of an exclusive label that's out there. They would be perhaps a synonym of the word peerless. The logo is fairly basic. I won't spend a lot of time sketching it out because I know what I need to do in order to make that happen. It's white letters on a red box, and I know the font that I need to use to make it look very similar. I don't advocate for ripping off another design, but I think there's value in exploring what makes that design strong and kind of recreating things. It's a great creative exercise as a designer to kind of break down another piece of artwork and figure out what makes it what it is. Let's dive in, start sketching out some rough ideas, then we'll jump into Illustrator, refine it a little bit further, and then we'll put together a few mock-ups to show what it would look like on some of that clothing, whether that's a hoodie or a cap or t-shirts and other merch, who knows what. I don't know exactly yet. I'm not the kind of guy that spends $250 on a t-shirt, but that's okay. There are people that do, and that's good for them. That's not what I'm into. However, I do like the logo, and I like seeing what I can do with it and kind of make it into something else. So that's always kind of fun. So let's dive in, see what we can come up with, and go from there. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. This has been episode number 41. Do you think it's pretentious to wear a logo that says you are unrivaled or without equal? I'd love to hear your comments down below. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. We'll see you next week right here when we design another logo based on a random weird word. Stay awesome.